Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this Realme C31 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can block all the spam and robocalls on this device. In order to start, locate the dialer app, which looks just like this, open it up. Here look at the top right corner of your screen, go for these three dots, settings, caller ID and spam, and make sure that the two switches that are the first ones, see caller ID and spam ID and filter spam calls, are enabled. And once those switches are enabled, that means that all the spam calls, all the robocalls, all the automatic calls are being filtered out. So that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!